In the next episode of Task's Mood Tennis, Amire Hala will stop hiding behind the inheritance paper and begins a direct campaign against Zarif. She will invite every woman from the both families to the traditional gathering. Then lock the doors and place the old letters on the table. The letters prove that the Zarif, Sedan, and several orders made secret decisions that shaped the lives of the Asmi, Adal, Alini, and Orak and Aiso. Amire will declare that the men carried the guns, but the woman who protected lies kept the war alive. Zarif will accuse her of seeking revenge, while the Emirs answered that the revenge is only part of the truth. One letter reveals that the Emir once tried of return Alini to Asmi, but he was stopped by the threat against another child. That child name has been removed from the page. Asmi will demand that the complete story, yet the Emir refuses until the Zarif confesses publicly. Outside, Adil and Auric grow alarmed by the close gathering, but the Alani asks them not to interfere. She believes that women must settle the secrets men have repeatedly turned into the violence. Inside, tension explodes when the Siren admits that she knew Alani was alive earlier than she claimed. Fatima, furious that another generation was sacrificed to the family pride, begins reading every letter aloud so that can one control the narrative. One letter mentions Fateh as a frightened young man who tried to protect two babies during the stormy night of the Alani's birth. Contradicts the image of him as the architect of every crime. Amire explained that the Fateh was once innocent, but the betrayal transferred him. Uh, uh, Before she can name the betrayer, an armed man cuts the electricity and surrounds the house. The woman realizes the latter have drawn out the person who fears the past most. Rather than waiting for the rescue, Asmi organizes an escape through an old bread oven passage. Alani and Padme let the younger woman out, while the Emiri and Zarif remains behind to protect the document. For the first time, the two enemies work together. Zarif admits that she ruined the Emiri's life because she believed Amiri would take the control of the family. Amiri says that the confession is not the forgiveness, but it is the beginning. When the attackers enter the room, appear empty. Then the Amber and the Orek captures them outside using the route as we predicted. Once the attacker reveals that they were hired through the account belonging to the Syrian, Syrian is horrified and insists her identity was stolen. The final letter provides the answer. The missing child Amiri once protected was Syrian's son, secretly raised everywhere. Elsewhere, this episode will end the Timur sons entering the village and calling Syrian's mother, leaving everyone uncertain whether the revelation is true and another carefully designed lie.